Growth is constrained when financial systems cannot support global expansion. So companies turn to modern finance solutions to uncover opportunities and facilitate growth. Vision Corporation recently expanded into France, but Casey Brown, Vision's controller, knows their current financial system does not support the needed global capabilities, including multi-currency and intercompany accounting. To successfully manage growth, Vision subscribed to Oracle Financials Cloud, where Casey used the rapid implementation spreadsheet to easily create ledgers and chart of accounts, as well as tailor accounting segments and hierarchies. Because the US and France entities have unique operations, Casey created different charts of accounts and primary ledgers. He configured US dollars for the US entity and euros for the French ledger's functional currency. After creating the US and France primary ledgers, Casey created a secondary ledger for France to account for transactions in US GAAP, which simplifies consolidations and corporate reporting. He also selected US dollars as the France reporting currency to translate the France general ledger from euros to US dollars. To use currencies for transactions processing, Casey imports various exchange rates. The US dollars and euro rates also support the currency translations used for consolidations and corporate reporting. During transactions processing, invoices can be paid in different currencies. These cross-currency payments allow Vision to comply with French rules and pay supplier invoices in euros. Casey appreciates how Oracle Financials Cloud monitors key financial areas, including intercompany, and highlights financial exceptions so he can take immediate action. Casey uses the IC Transactions Infolet to manage outstanding intercompany transactions, and uses the IC Reconciliation Infolet to quickly assess the total amount of intercompany variances. By clicking on an IC Reconciliation Infolet bar, Casey accesses the Intercompany Reconciliation Report. Since the new French entity transacts business with the US entity, he leverages the extensive multi-entity support. The Company Balancing segment automatically creates intercompany accounting to balance the GL for intercompany transactions. The multi-entity support also creates intercompany invoices when they are required. To comply with both US GAAP for corporate reporting and IFRS for local regulatory reporting, subledger accounting posts to both the primary and secondary French ledgers. At period end, Oracle Financials Cloud automatically calculates formal balance revaluations and translates France secondary ledger balances from euros to US dollars. The translated France general ledger is automatically transferred and posted to the US ledger, enabling Casey to easily consolidate across Vision's global operations. Casey completes his review by using the self-service and interactive capabilities of Oracle Financials Cloud to view the real-time consolidated income statement. He also generates the France income statement to comply with local reporting requirements. To fulfill local and regulatory requirements, Casey takes advantage of the multi-language and localization support, such as the deductible VAT declaration report for France. Vision's shared services define global suppliers and customers for the US and France entities to share, while still providing local control to each legal entity. With Oracle Financials Cloud, Casey can easily support Vision's global growth and is confident about the accuracy and security of Vision's financial data.